Sound good, that's for sure. Some people are starting to worry if they can keep up with the water. Local 4's Yukari Nakayama joins us live in Davenport with what they're saying tonight. Yukari?
That's right, Jim. I think it's pretty safe to say that Mother Nature has been pretty moody this year. I'm on Washington Street and Rockingham Road, where one neighbor has prepared for the worst. The flash flood watch should be going on until Wednesday morning. Waters aren't supposed to be too bad as they were on Memorial Day, but one homeowner in Davenport isn't taking any chances. He's laid out about 500 sandbags to avoid any flood damage. I also spoke to a meteorologist at the National Weather Service, and he tells me usually springtime is expected. A lot of waters are expected during springtime, but not as much as this year.
Fortunately, it does look like it's going to stay active. What is very unusual is the point that we've been consistently wet. We've had storm systems every several days on a regularly scheduled, really since last fall.
Irving does say to expect more rain to come, and he does have some tips on how to stay safe. We'll have more of those details on Local 4 News at 6. For now, live in Davenport, Yukari Nakayama, Local 4 News.
Yukari, thank you.